Raising chickens is rewarding, but feeding them can get expensive, and store-bought feed has risen in price. Growing your own feed saves money, and homegrown feed is more nutritious. You control the ingredients, and no chemicals or GMOs are needed. This creates healthier chickens. Healthier chickens lay better eggs. These eggs are more nutrient-dense, and they have brighter yolks and taste better. You'll be proud of your flock. Chickens need a variety of nutrients to stay healthy and productive. A balanced diet ensures they grow well and lay plenty of eggs. Grains provide carbohydrates for energy, which is essential for their daily activities and overall vitality. Corn is a good option because it is rich in energy and easy to digest. Wheat and oats are also good choices, offering a mix of fiber and nutrients. Protein is important for growth and egg production, making it a crucial part of their diet. Soybeans are high in protein and can be a great addition to their feed. Peas and sunflower seeds are good sources too, providing essential amino acids. Chickens need greens for vitamins and minerals, which support their immune system and overall health. Lettuce is easy to grow and provides essential nutrients. Kale and spinach are also nutritious options, packed with vitamins and minerals. And don't forget about herbs. They can add variety and additional nutrients to your chicken's diet. Sprouting seeds increases their nutrition. Soak the seeds in water overnight and rinse them twice a day. They're ready when sprouts appear. Fermenting feed aids digestion. Mix feed with water in a bucket and let it sit for a few days. This creates beneficial bacteria. Feed it to your chickens. These methods make nutrients more accessible. Your chickens absorb more goodness. This leads to healthier birds and better eggs. The chicken-friendly forage garden, a symbiotic system. We will explore how a well-designed forage garden can create a harmonious environment for both your chickens and your plants. A forage garden benefits your chickens and you. It provides a natural habitat where chickens can find food, shelter, and entertainment. Plant things your chickens can eat. This includes a variety of greens, herbs, and vegetables that are safe and nutritious for them. Sunflowers provide seeds and shade. They are tall and sturdy, offering a cool spot for chickens to rest under during hot days. Berry bushes offer fruit and cover. They produce delicious berries that chickens love to eat, and their dense foliage provides excellent hiding spots. Chickens will fertilize as they forage. Their natural behavior of scratching and pecking helps to aerate the soil and spread organic matter. Their droppings enrich the soil. Chicken manure is a fantastic fertilizer, rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They'll also eat pests that bother your plants. Chickens are natural pest controllers, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. It's a win-win situation. This system mimics nature's design. By integrating chickens into your garden, you create a balanced ecosystem that supports both plant and animal life. Chickens can roam and peck freely. This freedom allows them to express their natural behaviors, which is essential for their well-being. This keeps them active and entertained. An active chicken is a healthy chicken, less prone to stress and illness. Happy chickens are productive chickens. When chickens are content, they lay more eggs and contribute positively to the garden ecosystem. A simple DIY chicken feed recipe. Today we're going to show you how to make a nutritious and cost-effective chicken feed right in your own backyard. Here's a basic recipe using homegrown ingredients. 2 parts corn, 1 part wheat, 1 part oats. These grains provide essential carbohydrates and energy for your chickens. Add a handful of soybeans, which are a great source of protein, essential for growth and egg production. Peas and sunflower seeds. These add variety and additional nutrients to the mix. Mix in chopped greens from your garden. Greens are rich in vitamins and minerals, promoting overall health. Add sprouted seeds or fermented feed for extra nutrition. These are excellent for gut health and digestion. Adjust the ingredients based on what you have. Feel free to experiment with different grains and seeds. This recipe is a starting point. You can tweak it according to your chicken's preferences and nutritional needs. Observe your chicken's health and adjust as needed. Healthy chickens are active, have bright eyes and glossy feathers. Fresh, clean water should always be available to them. Hydration is key to their well-being and productivity.